The price of Bitcoin is $27,908. There is 2 days until Bitcoin opens up, Hong Kong and China open up the doors to Bitcoin. When that happens, we can expect some major price action on the price of Bitcoin. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin right now. I am in a long position. I am in a long position on Ethereum as well. I think that Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to do particularly well, but I think that Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. And I think that the doors to the altcoin market are really going to start to open up very significantly. And I think the altcoins are the place to be right now because they're all very significantly dumped down on in recent months. If you look at the recent value of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it's performed like, I don't know, a wet dog. It's been a bit slow and steady. I'm saying that wet dogs aren't generally that slow and steady. They're quite excited. Either way, I'm quite excited about the price of Bitcoin right now. Slap a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, press that button down there, turn on channel notifications. My name is Jordan. I talk about cryptocurrency here on the internet every single day, and you should definitely join me on this journey. So slap a like, subscribe, and let's crack on with today's Bitcoin analysis, crypto news, and everything like that. In fact, let's start off with another bullish bit of crypto news. From a political point of view, it's not the best, but from a crypto point of view, it's pretty good. Like, Russia is considering using crypto exchanges to settle cross-border transactions. Russia's central bank will likely regulate the activities of the crypto exchanges, and the rules will be written in the draft law on experimental legal regimes. What does all of this mean? It means that there is going to be not only institutional demand for crypto from Russia, but government demand. And government money is much larger than institutional money. Institutional money is already pretty big. It's much bigger than kind of your small VCs that we have in crypto. It's much bigger than the Michael Saylor kind of style of money. You're talking about settling transactions of billions of dollars in crypto. Well, of course, if there is to be, somebody has to buy it in the first place in order to settle that transaction in crypto, even if they're going to sell it in the end, which means that ultimately people are going to be buying and selling crypto like crazy over the next few months should Russia pass this bill. At the same time, we've got China right now opening up the doors to the crypto market. I'm very, very excited about that one because with the wealth from China passing through Hong Kong, as it always does, you know, the market's going to take off. We've got only 2 days to wait at this point. It should be pretty gosh darn bullish. In terms of how Bitcoin is performing on this 5-minute chart right now, Bitcoin is currently hitting this level of resistance on the 5-minute. That is the level of resistance at $27,900. However, if Bitcoin can break this level of resistance here at $27,900, we should be expecting a break up to around $28,500. If we zoom out on this chart right now and go over to something like the 4-hour chart and look at how we're performing on the 4-hour, our target really for Bitcoin is all the way up here. We're currently bull flagging outwards. I've been pointing this out for a while now. W reversal pattern to the bull flag, to the top of the bull flag at $29,000 there or thereabouts. Now, it's likely from my perspective we reach that $29,000 level. The question is, at that $29,000 level, what happens? Does the price of Bitcoin go up, or does it get rejected and then drop to the downside? Well, given that we'll probably hit that level within probably 48 hours from my perspective, given the analysis that I'm conducting, you know, I think the market's definitely on the up. The miserable times are nearly over. In terms of how Bitcoin is performing versus Ethereum, well, this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour right now, you can see you've got a steady uptrend of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We had a bit of a drop down the other day. That was to liquidate a bunch of long positions that were in a little bit too early. When those long positions were liquidated, the price bounced back very significantly, very quickly. And I would expect that within 48 hours or so, we start seeing the Ethereum Bitcoin value jumping quite significantly to the upside. We're already seeing it right now on a higher time frame. If we go over to the daily chart, we are forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern on the price of Ethereum versus Bitcoin right now. Given that we're seeing that inverse head and shoulders pattern at the same time, we've seen this W reversal pattern play out. This is on the daily chart on Ethereum versus USD, but on the daily chart on Ethereum versus USD, we formed this W reversal pattern. We break to the upside. We hit the level of resistance here the other day at $1,930. We dropped to the downside, and currently we're trading at $1,909. This candle shouldn't really be red. It's just my computer for some reason is making it red. If we go over to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we have been rallying back to the upside and a retest of this level. Given that we've now cleared those order books, it seems very likely, hence why I'm in a long position on the price of Ethereum right now. I'm in a long position on the price of Bitcoin. I don't think we're going to hit my lower targets for the other day because I think we may have actually hit them. If we look at the price of Ethereum, I talked about, oh, bollocks, I've cocked that one up, there we go. If we look at the lower price levels of Ethereum, we technically came down and touched it here. I talked about wanting to go long on Ethereum around $1,870. I think we've done it. I think we've just missed that entry. From my perspective, I'm long from about $1,890, there or thereabouts. So I'm just in a long position that's just about $20 in profit per Ethereum right now. But my projection for Ethereum for this year is to get up to at least $2,000. So, I mean, not even for this year, for this month. I think that this month is going to be a crazy one. And bearing in mind, when these markets start rallying, understand every single time in history when the crypto markets start rallying, the entire market goes crazy for crypto. When the entire market goes crazy for crypto, then more people just start buying because nobody wants to be the first one to get in. It's like this horrible sheep syndrome where nobody wants to jump first, but then as soon as one person jumps, everybody jumps on the trend, and then suddenly it's cool and trendy again. We're not in that cool and trendy stage right now. I don't know if you've noticed, but none of your family, friends, or even your grandma has been asking you about crypto recently. She's going to be asking you about it at the end of June. Trust me. Anyway, other things to discuss today, of course. Yes, I'm bullish on the price of Bitcoin. Yes, I'm bullish on the price of Ethereum. I'm also very bullish on the price of XRP. XRP's price today against Bitcoin is up 0.5%. In the past 24 hours, however, XRP's price is up 4.71%. I think that XRP is going to keep rallying. It's just formed this inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the chart, and I think that's a very bullish sign. If we look at something, I don't know what the indicator is here. Yeah, on the 4 hour, on technical analysis, on Crypto Saving Expert, it is flashing a buy signal right now. I think that it's a good time to be in XRP. I think that XRP holders are going to be very happy this month. I believe the XRP lawsuit stands a very high chance of coming to an end this month. When the XRP lawsuit comes to an end, we can expect some very significant price impact on the price of XRP. That price impact on the price of XRP will likely be to the upside. If that lawsuit settles positively, then it's very likely that XRP's price probably jumps up to $3 if XRP is declared not a security, given that currently the speculation is a security and it has a fully diluted market cap of $50 billion. Now, if the price of XRP is to shoot up to $3 per coin, that would mean the market cap is probably going to be pretty huge. Well, what would that actually be? That'd be $300 million market cap. If you look at the market cap of Bitcoin right now, $300 billion market cap, that would make its market cap bigger than the price of Ethereum. It'd make it bigger than the price of Bitcoin. Currently, XRP is sat down here in 6th place. It would overtake a bunch of them and shoot up to 2nd place and soon be challenging for 1st place in terms of the world's largest cryptocurrencies. XRP has got mass adoption. It is very popular in the USA. Don't write off that kind of market cap. However, if that's to happen to the price of XRP, trickle-down economics, although it doesn't work in the real world, would suggest that the price of XRP would then impact everything else as you've got profit-taking that goes on. That profit-taking that would be happening would then trickle down into Ethereum and other things, and then the price of those would start pumping. Trickle-down economics actually works really, really well in crypto. Big caps pump first, then mid caps, then low caps. And that's how the crypto market has been ever since I've been involved in it since 2013. Anyway, that's what I'm expecting from the price of XRP right now. Other things to point out would be, of course, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency for free, check out the link in today's video description for all Crypto Saving Expert. There's nothing to pay, and there's hours and hours of courses and learning that you can do. You want to know how to use an exchange, a wallet, a guide, anything like this, hardware wallets, software wallets. Don't forget, we've got these lower things. Taxes, you want to know how to pay your taxes, minimize your taxes, all these kinds of things on crypto. Check it out, cryptosavingexpert.com. Couple more things to bring to your attention today, of course, would be checking in on the Fear and Greed Index. We still sit at 52 here on the Fear and Greed Index. That is suggesting that we are neither greedy nor fearful. It's a pretty good place to be in the market. Balanced price, of course, we have hit the bottom, as I mentioned it yesterday. In terms of the new pull, we are in the optimism phase. We're not in the anxiety phase because anxiety is on the way down, optimism is on the way back up. So people are feeling more optimistic about the world of crypto right now, and they're just not there yet. They're just not willing to throw those bags into it yet. But they will be, because China is opening the door. And when China opens the door, everything starts going well again. So on that note, guys, check out the link for BYBIT in today's video description if you want a sign-up bonus for trading and all that good stuff. It's up to $30,000 you can get for free. Check out the link for Crypto Saving Expert. Drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel. My name is Jordan, and it's been fantastic having you here. Watch this video today. So slap a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.